Hi, welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas here at Robyn's Roost. Now, if you received a 12 Days of Christmas package from someone that came from the Roost, you're going to start, you can open your package on Christmas, but I'm going to start this on the day after Christmas as far as the videos and the gifts. So you might be a day ahead of me. Anyways, I did a little research on it, and supposedly the 12 days of Christmas actually start on Christmas Day and go to January 5th. But my mother-in-law, who was a staunch Catholic, always told me that you left all your Christmas decorations up until January 6th, which was when the kings came and following the star and all that. Anyways, so we're going to start on the day after Christmas. And when you open your package, if you got the package, for the first thing I've got is a little cocoa packet. So this is just some to keep you hydrated while you're crafting. And you're also going to have just some basic directions for the base. I'm going to assume that you're going to decorate your cocoa packet, if you make any, however you want. And you're also going to have a couple little ink spots. They could be different colors. I'm actually going to be using my big ink pads when I show you the cards we're going to make, but in case you don't have any ink at all, these will get you started. I'm going to assume that you're maybe a beginner and try to make these kits so that anybody can do them. So, thanks for stopping by. And even if you didn't get the kit, there will be some cards sprinkled in here along with the gifts. So we'll have some kind of basic cards and maybe a couple little fun folds. So thanks for stopping by, and feel free to join us for the entire 12 days or pop in and out as you get a chance. See you in another day.